Okay, here's a quick video kind of going over the main stuff at the beginning of level 2 adult piano adventures. So the main thing to start with is the C major scale. So this is what this looks like. 1 octave, 3 notes, thumb under to your pinky and back down. The left hand is opposite fingers, starting your pinky, play to your thumb, cross, and back down. And then we have the key of G, so thumb starts on G, same fingering, but we add F sharp right here. So again, 3 notes from G, thumb under, F sharp. And the left hand, same exact thing. Start in G, play to your thumb, 3rd finger over, and don't forget the F sharp. Okay, then the other scale we have is the key of F. So start on F, and this has a B flat in it. So you play 4 notes to B flat. Then your thumb comes under. You never actually play your pinky, just end on your 4th finger, back down to your thumb, 4th finger over, back to your thumb. Same thing with the left hand, but this time you can play to your thumb, starting on your pinky with F. You still have the B flat, 3rd finger over, thumb back under to C. So those are the 3 main scales for right now: the key of C, the key of G, and the key of F. And in each scale, you need to know the chords, the 1, the 4, and the 5/7 in the inversions that we're going to be learning them in. So the 1 chord, I'm going to do them with the left hand, is built off of the root or the tonic. So in the key of C, start on C, and your chord is C, E, G. The 4 chord, you're going to put your 2nd finger on F and your thumb to A. It's also called an F chord. Back to the 1 chord or C chord. And then the 5/7 or G7, you play the top note G, F, and B. And back to C. So this is the 1-4-1-5-1 progression. 1-4-1-5-1. When we go to the key of G, it's the same thing, but we have the F sharp. So 1 chord in G is now called the 1 chord. 4 chords, same shape, but now this is a C chord. Back to G, the 1 chord, and then 5/7 with F sharp. Or D7, and back to G. So in the key of G, 1-4-1-5-7-1. And in the key of F major, we have the B flat. So the F major chord is now your 1 chord, F chord or 1 chord. When we go to the 4 chord, we have to add the B flat. Back to the 1. And the 5/7 also has the B flat. And back to the 1. 1-4-1-5-1. Pay attention to the fingering too. It's 5-3-1, 5-2-1, 5-3-1, and 5-2-1. Do them in the right hand. The fingering is different. The chords are the same. 1 chord in C. When I go to the 4 chord, you move both of these fingers over for the 4 or F chord. So it's 1-3-5. Back to the C chord. 5-7 and 1. 1-4-1-5-7-1. Key of G. F sharp, and key of F. B flat, B flat. You should be able to do these at the same time. Both hands. Key of C, key of G, key of F. And you should also be able to do the scales both hands at the same time. C, Then I'm flipping to page 18, the Niagara Falls. Just want to demonstrate how this looks. These are called arpeggios. We start with the C chord, up from left hand's on middle C, right hand's in treble C. This is a C chord, and we're just going to have the pedal down and play the C chord going backwards, down. Then the right hand goes where the left hand was, left hand continues down, right hand crosses over to low G, and a C chord. And then you go back up and play the exact same thing again. But this time, the chord changes. The next three notes are outlining these notes. And the right hand goes back to treble clef, to B, to D, to F, and to G. And we go to low G, and we play a G chord going up. G, G, left hand, G, right hand, G, left hand, G, right hand, G. And you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm crossing over to a G. D, C, Al, coda. That means you go back to the beginning of the song. And again. Now, to coda, so you go over to the coda on the page 19. And instead of going to the chord, you play the two G's, and then the coda is A, G. Left hand comes under to low C, and you're going to do a C arpeggio going up. Cross over to C and back down. And then in that position, C, G, E, which is a C chord, and then bass clef C and low C. So that's Niagara Falls. And then I want to play on page page 36, the Allegro in F major. Make sure you remember the B flats. So the F position scale looks like this, 5-finger scale. And this is what Allegro in F major sounds like. Back to the beginning. Okay, so there you have it. That'll get you going.